Hi there! Looking for a way to get a flat stomach without those dreadful diets? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how you can achieve that dream waistline with just a few simple changes to your routine. First up, let's talk exercise. Waking up and working out on an empty stomach might sound tough, but trust me, it's a game changer. All you need is 10 minutes a day. Yes, you heard that right, just 10 minutes. The key is consistency and focusing on engaging your core and lower abdominals. You can even do these exercises right from the comfort of your bed. Imagine starting your day with a quick, effective workout without even stepping out of your bedroom. Now let's move on to nutrition. Don't worry, I'm not here to tell you to follow some strict diet plan. The secret is simple: stick to whole, unprocessed foods. Say goodbye to sugar, white bread, pastries, and fried foods. Instead, try baking your meals. It's a healthier alternative and can be just as delicious. Aim to keep your daily calorie intake between 1,500 to 2,000 calories. Here's a little personal story for you. I've maintained a flat stomach for years by following these principles. And guess what? I don't follow any strict diets. I usually consume around 1,600 to 2,000 calories a day. A few weeks ago, I decided to give up sugar, and the results were incredible. I felt more energetic and saw noticeable changes in my body. So, what are you waiting for? Give these exercises a try, swap out those unhealthy foods, and see the transformation for yourself. Remember, consistency is key. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you next time.